Hydro Dragons, don't cry! Your eyes, the value of a human life is nothing compared to those cold laws you hold so dear. If you truly regret my father's death, then why didn't you call a stop to the duel? Why didn't you give me the power to stop him from throwing his life away? Why did you just let him die, despised and hated by all?
Well, Neuvillette, I hope you've enjoyed the part you played these 500 years.
Something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time,
Neuvillette, hereby declare